Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at how to edit the high school header file to get it so that it has your Zoom link in there. So this will include creating a recurring Zoom meeting and then putting that link into your header file. Because Mbika said that we don't need to do the daily folder links, this will make life a lot easier and it should be a fairly straightforward process. So we need to get to this email that Kyle sent out Tuesday morning. And it has this Word document, and in it there's this high school header file. When you scroll down, to get here, you hold down Control and click on there, and it should open up this that says make a copy. We want to make a copy, so we click on make a copy, and we should bring up this file right here. Okay. So what you might want to do here is make sure that it is in your drive. So this is in my drive. If there's a specific folder that you would like it to be in, you can set it up to wherever you would like. And you can rename this to, for me, my AP Biology header or whatever the case may be. If you want to just use the same header for all of your classes, you can title this whatever you would like to do it. And then you probably just put your teacher name here without the class. So if I did that, I can click on it, highlight it all, and just put my name. And then I'm going to be able to use this for all of mine. So this has the Monday through Friday links on here. According to Mbika's email, you don't have to use these. So you can actually click on it and just hit remove link on there if you would like to. Remove link on all of them. Okay. If you would like to link those on there and you have questions on how to do it, feel free to ask me and I can show you how to do it. But if you just want to get rid of them, just get rid of them. That's the easy way to do it. Okay? You do need to put your own Zoom class code in here or your Zoom link in. So in order to do that, we have to create a recurring meeting. So if I open Zoom, I'm going to get here. Make sure that when you're using Zoom, you're using your birmingham.k12.mi.us email. You can make sure of that by clicking on your picture or whatever logo is up here and making sure that it says license. This means that the district paid for it, so you get all the polling and all of those things that are available with it. If you use your BPS Schools one, it's probably going to say basic up here and not have as many bells and whistles that you can use. So in order to do this, to set up our standing meeting, we just hit schedule. And so we can title this whatever, so I can just do Mr. Shoeprice Classroom. I can start it on August 31st, and I can start it at, let's say, 7 o'clock in the morning, and I want it to run for 10 hours. You can obviously set it up to the right amount of time, but whatever you want. The key here is this box right here. Click recurring meeting. That's going to set it up so it just goes every single day. So then once we do this, you can pick whatever you would like. You can have your video on when you start. You can have the participants on. You can set up all of these things. The key here is just hit save. Once you do that, you can then go and look at your meetings. So up top here, it says meetings, and I can click on it. And I see Mr. Shoeprice Classroom. I actually have two of these because I already did it, so this is the one I just created. And I can hit Show Meeting Information. And all I need from it out of this is this link right here. So I can highlight it, and I'm just going to hit Control-C to copy. You can do that, or you can just hit, if you hit Copy Invitation, it's going to take the entire invitation, which is all of this. So you want to just highlight that and hit Control-C. Once we're there, I'm going to click back. You can still see the Google Draw thing here in the background. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on Zoom. And I'm going to hit Insert Link right here. I can hit Control-V to paste, and then click Apply. And now that Zoom has that standing meeting that can be used for all of my students for all of the classes. Now, I'm going to give this a meaningful title a little bit, in that I'm going to have test template, so that way I know where to find it. Again, if I'm not sure where it is, it's in my Google Drive, so if I put it in any subfolder, I can look on here and it'll tell me where it is. But it's in my drive. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Schoology, and I just have another window open. And I need to get rid of this, because this one has all of the template stuff. So what I'm going to do is go to this little gearbox right here, click it, and hit Edit. You should see this yellow. Sometimes it's not there and you have to scroll down to get the yellow, but if you click on it, you can hit this X and get rid of it. Then what I'm going to do is hit Insert Content right here, and I want to go to Google Drive Resource App. That's why we downloaded it in the last one. So when it does it, it should pull it up here, and because I was just working on my test template, it's right here. If it wasn't, I can just click into this box and type in test template and it'll pull up. Now that it's here, I just want to click the little white box next to it, then hit Import, and I want to pick the third option here, Import Embed. Then hit Save Changes, and there's the one that we made. And if we click on this Zoom link, it's going to let me open Zoom meetings, and I'm in my classroom. So that's all you have to do to get it going. Again, if you have questions, just ask, and I'm happy to help you.